Welcome to the civilized traffic channel. Let's watch those fools drive. And the unfortunate consequences. I didn't expect this guy to drive like that. On a slippery road. Driving at high speed and then braking suddenly like that. The ending. For the guy who likes to show off, a car is moving at high speed. Go to the intersection. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. What else is there? Oh my gosh, why are you going so fast? Why not chant? The bitter end when one cannot control the speed. Let's get to work, guys. Carry the coffin. Something unusual is happening again. There, I see a sign already. I feel like I'm watching a movie. Hey, how much are you being paid for this scene? What is this? What are you running for? There has been an accident, brother. How can you escape from the police? A colorful setting. The vehicles are stopping at the red light. A bus that doesn't stop at a red light for some unknown reason. Is the driver feeling sleepy? Whatever the reason, let's express our condolences to the bus driver. Can anyone explain to me why the car is in the middle of the train tracks? It's too dangerous. Yes, there was a car accident involving a rear-end collision. Whose fault is this situation? The driver of which vehicle? A situation occurred during the night. Due to limited visibility, the driver rear-ended the vehicle parked in the same direction ahead. Just forget about the red if it's black. Oh, I think this is a game. Too dangerous. I said it was dangerous after I fell over while spinning. What? Did everyone see the yellow cab driver driving with one hand to overtake? Oh, it's great that everything is fine. VNBNMCNH. Let's keep going. Oh my gosh, why are you going the wrong way? Even if you give me $1 billion, I still won't go the wrong way. Oh, what is happening? It's really dangerous. Let's chant again. The situation of changing lanes without checking the mirrors. It is really very dangerous. The consequence is the speed is too fast. When an unexpected situation occurs and the bitter ending. A situation of turning without observing. Where are you rushing off to? A tractor trailer lost control. The ending is shattered. Another collision has occurred on the railway. I can't believe it. Consequences of driving to an intersection without slowing down to observe. The damage is too severe. What is the driver doing while driving? Suddenly changing lanes without paying attention. It's really too heavy. OH.NO, what's going on?